Hello, welcome to Statistics 235 online at UMKC. I will be your instructor for the course, and my name is Stephanie Van Ryan. First off, I want to welcome you to the online course and just kind of communicate with you. I understand online courses can be relatively difficult. I try to put a structure in place so everything is clear, that you know what you need to do to be successful in this course. I also want to be open with you guys, so if you need anything, please communicate with me either by calling me or texting me or emailing me. I try to be available to guide you through the course. The purpose of this video is to go over the structure of the course and the course syllabus. So if you log into Canvas, you should see access to all your courses. If you click on the Statistics 235 course, that will bring you into the Canvas view of statistics. In Canvas, you will find any PDF versions that I create for the course, or I might create a table from the book and create it to a PDF so it's a little easier to read, and I will communicate with you guys weekly through Canvas. I'll have weekly announcements. You can find a copy of the course syllabus, and you can find the copy of the week-by-week schedule. First thing I want to go over in the course syllabus is just kind of highlights. I would expect you guys to read this. There will be a quiz in my math lab over just a couple of general things. Like I said before, communication is very important. I have online office hours Monday and Tuesday from 12 to 1, and they're in Zoom. So if you click on that link in Zoom, it will open up an online office hours where you communicate with me. This online office is open all the time. I only really kind of watch it 12 to 1 on Mondays and Tuesdays unless you have an appointment with me, and you can go into that at other times. Course catalog information, pretty straightforward. Required material. You're required to purchase access to the My Math Lab material, which contains your book, your lectures, your videos, your PowerPoints, a calculator to do some of the statistics software we'll be using this semester. This is part of an auto access program, and I will send that auto access code with the welcome email, and you can find that under the announcements in Canvas. You have until February 4th to opt out, so you'll be automatically charged on your account. On Census Day, they see who's still in the course. So if you drop this course before Census Day, you're not charged. If you opt out before February 4th, your account will be refunded. We use My Math Lab in Piazza, and you can find the policies for privacy policies here. The topics will be covered is listed in the syllabus. The schedule. The schedule is another important thing I want to kind of go over. You can find a current version of the schedule in Canvas. You can download that, print it off. I would highly recommend you print it off and keep it with your papers that you're going to be using in this course. So organization is important in an online class, and the way that I have the syllabus is everything for the week 1 will be due the Monday of week 2. Everything for week 2 will be due the Monday of week 3, and so forth. So you can know what's expected for every week. Some sections might take a little longer than others, just depending on your background in math and statistics and how comfortable you're using the software, calculating the various different concepts in that chapter. Some of it might be more reading, some of it might be actually more calculation. So just depending on what you prefer, you might find some sections take longer than others. So I would highly recommend it. You start it early in the week and get it done hopefully before the weekend, but you have that weekend there to work on it as well. I understand a lot of you have full-time jobs outside of this, so just keep me posted if anything comes up. There will be homework, quizzes, and then we have midterm exams and the final exams. This is the first semester we're actually giving proctored exams on campus, and these times will be announced later in the semester. So usually the week, first or second week. It depends on proctor availability, room availability, and some other things. So we still have to get all those ducks in a row. But I will be more than happy to be flexible with your needs in this course. So keep that in mind. Final exam is the only thing that's not flexible, and that is based on the course coordinator. So if you cannot make it to campus on Saturday, May 9th from 8 to 10, you need to let me know as soon as possible and talk to the course coordinator. And as of right now, it is a mandatory common final exam for this course from 8 to 10 on Saturday, May 9th. We'll be using my math lab for majority of the homework and quizzes in this course. My math lab is a browser-based system, and I will be going over my math lab a little bit later in this video. You can go over the student learning outcomes for this course. Policies, one thing about the late work, I only have a penalty of 20% off the points that you missed. So if you only get halfway through a homework and you want to do it late, you're only going to be deducted 20%. But keep in mind, I'm going to allow up to 4 full credit extensions. So if you go ahead and do the assignment for the reduction, this should say 20, then I'll change your grade in my math lab. So I'll update that. Technical support. This is a course that can be very frustrating when you're not understanding the material. So you're always able to come see me in office hours. You can post Piazza message board questions. There's tutoring on campus, and this semester we're actually having a personal face-to-face campus tutor that's going to be doing it online in Zoom as well. So you have my online Zoom office hours, but you'll also be able to sign up to talk to someone that will pop up from UMKC and go over the material with you. So if you're having computer issues or you're having issues with the calculator, you don't know how to enter something, there'll be a physical person from UMKC that understands the content to kind of help you with that. So that's exciting. This is new this semester. And then the rest of the stuff is standard policies, arts and sciences, and resources available there. So that's kind of going over the course a little bit. The things I want to stress is the exams will be on campus and they will be proctored. So they'll have 2 times you'll have to come to campus, or you'll have to either proctor them online. And then the final exam will be from 8 to 10 on Saturday, May 9th.